Today we're making this delicious lemon and poppy seed slice. First we will need to add butter and caster sugar to a bowl and cream it together until well combined. Then add the salt, plain flour and poppy seeds and combine it well to form a dough. Then evenly press it into a lined cake pan. Prick it with a fork and bake in the oven at 175 degrees for 25 minutes. In a separate bowl, add the eggs and caster sugar, combine well, then add the lemon juice, lemon zest, baking powder, salt, flour, icing sugar and whisk it all together. Remove the crust from the oven, slightly cool it and pour in the filling. Bake for a further 30 to 35 minutes at 160 degrees. Take it out of the oven, cool it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Move it to a cutting board and cut into even slices. And finish off with a sprinkle of icing sugar. This turns out so light, tangy, sweet and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!